Welcome to our first video on the substitution method. So this is a technique we use in integration, and let me show you the types of integrals that this would apply to. So you might have something that looks like 2x parentheses x squared plus 5 to the 9th dx. All right, what makes this a candidate for substitution are a couple things. One is you've got stuff to a power, and that power is big, so we would not want to FOIL this out. The second thing is that there's some extra stuff on the outside, okay? What this is an example of is this is a derivative that came from chain rule, so we want to undo chain rule, okay? So again, how you can identify a substitution method problem is stuff in parentheses with the power, extra stuff outside. Okay, let me give you a couple more examples. So here's one, 3x squared over x cubed plus 1 all to the 4th in the denominator. Okay, now this one does look different than the other one because it's got a denominator, but notice stuff in parentheses to a power, extra stuff. Okay, all right, let's write one more. What if I had x the square root of 4x squared plus 1 dx. Okay, now you may be thinking, well, Jen, this doesn't look like the other ones. Well, remember that roots we can always rewrite as fractional exponents. So let's see if we now agree. I've got stuff in parentheses with the power, extra stuff outside. Okay, so that's how you recognize a substitution problem. Now, how do we do substitution? All right, so the basic method is you're going to let u equal the stuff in the parentheses. Okay, so I'm going to let u equal the stuff in the parentheses, not with the exponent as well. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to do a trade. We are going to find how to trade du equals other stuff, I guess I should say, dx. What the whole goal here is we want to take gross in x, and after we do this, what we should pretty much have is u to a power du, which should be easy to integrate. Okay, so that's going to be our overall goal. So in the next couple videos, I'm going to go step by step showing this. So again, our first step is to let u equal stuff in parentheses, only the stuff in parentheses, not the outside exponent. We're going to find du to trade, and then what we should end up with is easy to integrate in u. All right, video 1 is done.